Hey people, Jay here and welcome. Today's video is a special one. During this power hour, I will be wearing my favorite Christmas pajamas. And it is in collaboration with my friend Joy from Organized with Joy. So be sure to check out her video once you get finished watching mine, as well as her channel that will be linked down in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I decided to clean up some things that I don't usually clean on a daily. I decided to try out this Folex that has been trending on social media. It's a carpet spot cleaning product. Have you guys heard of this product? Have you all tried this product before? If so, what were your results? Leave me a comment down below. I found that the Folex did a good job in some areas of my home, but not all. If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home wife and mom, and on this channel I do cleaning, decluttering, organizational type of videos, grocery hauls, and my favorites of the month. If that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Well, I hope that you will stick around for more cleaning motivation as well as the festive music playing during this video. Well, I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I also want to thank Joy for being a part of this month's Power Hour. Be sure to check out her video as well as her channel that will be linked down in the description box below. Also, if you like more cleaning motivation, then check out these videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.